It started recording.
Yeah,
Hi,
this is
sir. Hi,
about, yeah.
everyone.
Thank you everyone for joining. Okay, this is about log configuration in UIM production server. Okay, this is because we want to know who is making a calls to UIM or UIM web services. Okay, so what I have done is that can be known in the access logs of this server. Okay, can you see my screen now here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so here you will find servers, and here you will find two folders: UIM prod ZATC1, manage server 1, and prod MS2, right? Like this one, and in this there is folder called logs. In this folder, you will find some lot of files called as access log files. These are access log files. Remember, in this server, there are a lot of files, right? But the one file which does not have the number is the one which is currently rolling. Remember, okay? Currently rolling file is the one which is which does not have a number. Okay. Now I will tell that. Okay. This
Use
file.
capital F.
Sorry.
You can use capital F so that if it breaks, it continues.
Okay, right. We'll see. Okay. So in this case, this what I'm telling here is on MS1. Generally, we get the request for MS1 from Netcool and Facade, UIM Facade. Okay, so this is the server. I added these all columns actually. Initially, only date column was there. Now I added the remaining columns in the prefix columns actually. This is the server to which the call is happening. Obviously, this is 218. What you are looking at on MS1 is 218 only. Who is making the call? 205. 205 is PLN9 DB2. 204 is PLN9 DB1. All the facade calls comes from the database to UIM actually.
Okay.
And what is the method of the call is post method. Post get are the two types of methods of the call. And these are web services. Reference UIM web service is the one call mapping. In future, you will get calls for the REST web services. There the endpoint will be different, remember. Okay, and this Parvati, Pujita, and Umar working on those endpoints. That endpoint will be different. Now this is MS1. If you go to MS2, you will find another set of logs there. This you see the endpoint is NIUIM web service. This is coming from NI. This is coming from NI. Okay. Now, for example, remember, suppose you make a JMeter call from your remote desktop using this endpoint, then the endpoint will be same, but the source will be different. Okay, and the server call is happening to 219. Okay, this is it. Okay, and the call is coming from 212. This is NIP1. Okay. This is one kind of information. Now, where it is configured here is, suppose if you go into WebLogic console, administration, this is administration console, right? 8011, right? So in the administration console, you have servers under the environment. Under the environment servers, you have MS1. In MS1, you have something called logging. Okay. In logging, there is advanced here. In advanced, what I have done is, where is this guy? Okay, HTTP. Not logging, HTTP. Under HTTP, there is this is the parameter set, what I have done here. Okay. So this parameter set, C URI, client URI. What is the URI they are calling? That is a reference web service something. CS method is nothing but the client method. Post get. CDNS. What is DNS instructed here?
That PLNI.
This is the DNS. This is the DNS.
Yes.
Full DNS. Okay. PLNI and IP address. Client IP. Client IP and C server IP is related along with the port, date, time, all these things. Yes.
So
this is not source. This is server.
Server. Okay.
C is client. Okay. These are the parameters. I can remove this actually. It anyway method is printed here. Right? Okay, CURI is also printed here. I don't have to print these two, right? Okay. So once I make these changes, this I configured on the same on both the servers, MS1 and MS2. Okay. So this one, I'll put it back. Okay. And save this. And go into another server. And here, HTTP, where is this guy? Login, HTTP, advanced. So in this one, you'll find share activation. Yes. So when we activate changes after the restart, it will start recurring. Okay. So the point is every Monday he wants these logs, right? So today's date is what? First 18th, 5th of August, right? So from 5th of August, what are the logs being tracked here? See this one. This is the first log on 5th of August. Now, if he is asking you to get the log, just to take the 5th of August, from 5th of August, whatever logs are there till next one, you can take these files and share it with him, Sandhya.
Okay.
Sidhu, right?
Okay.
And in this, whatever are this thing available, I mean, what is this? Source and directory details are available, right? What is that?
Yeah,
Tail
yeah.
minus F, Sidhu? What is that?
Tail minus capital F.
Capital F.
Capital F, very good. Thank you. So this one, you see. So you people are knowing this, right? ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమేమి వస్తున్నాయో తెలిసిపోతుంది ఇక్కడ మనకి.
So one thing, Chandra, what I notice is this. Can you see this 506474? Are these the ports or something?
Which one? Which one?
And
This 50 and
ఇది
ending,
bytes
this
అండి.
one.
Bytes. These are bytes. Can you see this? ఇక్కడ రాసింది కదా ఇక్కడ. See, ఇక్కడ చూడు method is post, right? You got it. ఇక్కడ let us see this one minute. The method post, right? After post, what it is? CTX ECID. Okay, the ECID. Tarvata next is the method in the. Okay. Now for your questions, I have an answer. There's one link here, Sandhya. This link. See, go through this. That link is going to this site only.
Okay.
Okay, Namma. See this one. This goes to. Okay, technically. Okay, in the cloud nature, right? Supported field identifiers and IP address related fields. ఇవన్నీ ఫీల్డ్స్ అన్నమాట బేసికల్లీ ఈ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా డేట్ టైమ్ సిఎస్ మెథడ్ సిఎస్ యూఆర్ఐ ఉన్నాయి అక్కడ పెట్టాను కదా నేను రైట్ ఆ ఫీల్డ్స్ అన్ని ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు ఐపీ అడ్రస్ రిలేటెడ్ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ మీకు సిఐపి ఇక్కడ సిడిఎన్ఎస్ డిఎన్ఎస్ ఇవన్నీ పేర్లు ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ మీకు రైట్ దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ దిస్ సిఎస్ యూఆర్ఐ క్వెరీ ECID and the execution context ID. Execution context ID is global unique identifier associated with that execution particular request. మీకు వచ్చిన రిక్వెస్ట్ ఒక ఐడి ఉంటుంది కదా రైట్ యూనిక్ ఐడి ఆ ఐడి అది ఆ పర్టికులర్ బిగ్ నెంబర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూఆర్ లుకింగ్ అట్ దీస్ ఈ పెద్ద నెంబర్ ఉంది కదా దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఐడి అండి ఒక యూనిక్ ఐడి జనరేట్ అవుతుంది మీకు వచ్చిన రిక్వెస్ట్ కి వాట్ ఇట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి 583 ఇదంతా సేమ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఎఫ్ ఉంది F0 అని ఉంది F0 తర్వాత 10 వచ్చింది ఇవన్నీ పెరుగుతున్నాయి దట్ నెంబర్ ఈస్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ బేసికల్ ఆన్ దిస్ సర్వర్ ఓకే సో దాట్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్ ఈ పర్టికులర్ ఫైల్ మీరు మన యూ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ఇట్ టు ఫిరోజ్.
Yes.
And you have to analyze basically, Sidhu. You can write some regular expression and identify all the source IPs. You can easily identify మీకు అక్కడ notepad++ లో కొన్ని టెక్నిక్స్ ఉంటాయి right? So you can download this and identify what are the columns. ఈ columns on the data identify చేసి ఇవ్వండి. That's all he requires, right?
అవును. Yeah. He wants just source, destination, and
ఈ
port.
సోర్స్ ఇది ఐపీ అడ్రస్ ఇదేమోని డొమైన్. ఇంకొక డౌట్ వచ్చింది కదా, హీ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ వన్ డౌట్, రైట్? Database, if it is coming from 3 IPs are there, but only from 2 IPs we are getting it, right? For 205 or 204, there are 3 IPs each, right? But we are getting it from only from one IP source, right? Then you need to know which IP address. ఇంకో 2 sources నుంచి రావట్లేదు and we have to prove it కదా, right? And you know one interesting fact I'm observing here, there's a call coming from UIM server to UIM server. Did you observe this?
Yes.
218 to 218, yeah. Yes.
218 to 218. Source and target are same.
Yeah.
I don't know how it is happening. What calls we are making?
Apache is calling this server.
Oh, Apache is making a
Both
call.
are in same server, right?
Yes, absolutely. Apache making the call, Karna. Yeah. Then this is all netcool calls, remember? You're right. Okay.
You can
Okay,
cat it to a different file in the background so that it won't append. I mean, when the file changes, it won't cut it off.
It will cut it off, Sidhu. What I'm saying is, let it cut it off.
Okay.
See, the thing is, you have many files here. They are not getting removed. No, you only started capturing from August 5th. August 5th to September 5th. Take all the files and analyze it, right?
Okay.
The log is written here properly, no? Even if it is rolling, after 512 KB, it will roll to another file. And that file name will become something else. But it is still on August 5th only, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, this is a good information. We can only compare before going
Swapna,
to this.
This is wonderful for you, Swapna. Who is making the call? You don't know, right? You can configure this on this server. I mean on this server. What is that? OAS production server.
Okay.
But we don't know which report they are accessing, right? But at least we know. Sorry?
There is a session list in the OAS UI.
Okay.
Who are accessing which report?
Report.
You found it?
Yes.
Now this you configure this Swapna on your server, OAS production, and you will know who is accessing. First of all, that access log will be there. Secondly, you have the session log. Someday Lester is going to ask you who is accessing CM reports, who is accessing upside reports. All the questions will come, right? Then you'll have to answer it. Okay. Stop recording.
I'm stopping the recording.
Yeah, I stopped recording. Thank you.